Hi everyone, this is Grishma studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today's my topic is about design control statement in principal program of using C. So let's see the introduction of design control statement. Design control statement are used in programming to control the flow execution based on the certain condition. They allows us to make decision and perform different action based on the outcomes of those decisions. Decision control statements are essential in writing efficient and effective program. If statement. The if statement is the most basic design control statement. It allows us to execute a block of code only if a certain condition is true. If statement can include multiple conditions using logical appropriate such as AND, OR, and NOT not. Control statement in C are used to write powerful programs by repeating important sections of the program, selecting between options sections of a program. We can see the flowchart in the image as shown here. If-else statement. Next comes the if-else statement is an extension of if statement. It allows us to execute one block of code if a condition is true and another block of condition is false. If else statements are useful when we need to handle different scans based on the specific condition. So we can see the example in the image as shown here, how we use the if else statement in the coding. Nested if statement. Nested if statements are if statements within other if statements. They allow us to create complex decision making structures. Nested if statements should be used in precautions to avoid code complexity and maintainability issues. Using nested design statement using multiple if or if else statement. So there is an example in the image, so you can go through it once. Switch statement. The switch statement is another decision control statement that allows us to choose different between multiple alternatives. It works by evaluation of expression and matching its value with different cases. Switch statements are the particular useful when we have fixed set of possible values of compare against. Break statement. The break statement is used to decision control statement to exit the current loop or switch statement. It is commonly used to terminate and execution of loop or skip the remaining cases in switch statement. Break statements helps to control the flow of execution and improve the code of readability. So the image we can see that condition control break statement go and condition of the false and it comes to true and the next comes break statement in the flowchart. Continue statement. The continue statement is used in loops and skip the rest of the current iteration and move the next one. It allows us to bypass certain code blocks within a loop based on specific conditions. Continuous statements can help optimize the execution of loop and improve overall program efficiency. So we can see that how we use the continuous statement in the image. So next we can move on to go-to statement. The go-to statement is a powerful decision control statement that allows us to jump to the specific labeled statement. It is considered as control vision statements and should be used sparingly. Go-to statements can make code harder to understand and maintain, so they should be used within precautions. So here it's some explained how we use the go-to statement in the image. And next is comparison operators. Comparison operators are essential in the decision control statements as they help evaluation condition. Common comparison operators includes equal, the equal symbol is here in the bracket as we see, not equal and greater than and less than, etc. This operators allows us to compare values and make decision based on the results. So here are some operators and other meanings in the image as we see in here. And logical operators. Logical operators are used in combined multiple condition and decision control statement. Common logical operators include and, or, not, and these are the symbols which they be used. Logical operator helps to certain complexes condition make accurate decisions. The AND operator. The logical AND operator takes two operators and must both Boolean expression. The resulting combined expression true if or both operand true. Next is best particle for decision control statement. Keep decision control statement simple in the con consigned to the better reliability. Avoid exercise listing of if statements in prevent of coding complexity. Use meaningful variable names and comments to improve code understand as shown in the figure. Next comes example of decision control statement. Example, if x greater 5, do something. Example, so example is here, example 1 and 2 and 3. We can go through it and there is a flow chart for if else selection flowing diagram. Decision control statement in real world application. How we use in real world application decision control statement we can see here. Decision control statement are widely used in various programming language and application. They are used in user in interference, handle differential user inputs, actions. Decision control statements are crucially in game development for character interaction and game flow. So decision statements are normally used in this game developments and character interaction in the game flows where they create new characters in the games which we play. So next benefits. What are the we can see what are the benefits of decision control statement? Decision control statements provide flexibility and control in program execution. The allow of dynamic decision making based on changing condition. Decision control statement helps in creating efficient optimizing program. In C decision control statement, in decision control statement, if else and nested if group of statements are executed when condition is true. If condition is false, then else and statement are executed. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned. Thank you.